Today let's make curry fried rice. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's remove the seed from the bell pepper. Now let's dice the bell pepper. Trim the fat off the chicken. Then we need to dice it. Let's season the chicken with some salt and oil. Mix everything together. Now it's time to beat the eggs. Time to cook. Add the oil into the hot pan and then cook the chicken. Then remove the chicken. Add more oil and add the egg in. Now add the bell pepper. Saute the peppers. Now add the rice. Then add the chicken back in. Add the curry powder and salt. Mix it together. Now add the chicken powder. Mix it in and it's done. Looks good. Time for taste test. The chicken is tender. It is savory. It's very rich for the curry powder. The pepper add a nice flavor. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。